Okay, what's up? Hello. So today we're gonna be doing some errands and everything like that. Y'all already know how it goes. Yeah, I got a few things to return from the wedding that we did not use. I cannot believe it's been 2 weeks since we've been married. I'm gonna call him a little bit later. He went to work at 7 a.m. He actually overslept. We were up late last night watching Blackish. That's our newest thing. So we just were up. But I need to go to the Dollar Tree. Anywho, let me call my friend Vanessa because I miss her so much. I haven't talked to her in 2 whole weeks. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I miss my girl. Let me call her. Oh my gosh, answer. If she didn't answer yet, she's not gonna answer. She's probably busy. It's tax season, so I know she's probably busy teaching tax class. If you need your taxes done, holla at my girl. Okay, who else can I call? I like calling my girls while I'm driving. It's just like the perfect time for me to talk to them. So my goddad did call me last night, but I'm gonna call him later because I know he's at work. Let me call Nasia. See what she's up to today. Let's probably catch up. Oh, I do also need to start planning. I'm surprising all of my girls, my bridesmaids, the girls who helped me with the wedding. I have some big things I want to do for them in the next couple of weeks, so I'm just trying to brainstorm what I'm going to do. I'm not going to say it in the vlog for obvious reasons because they watch, but let me call Nasia, see what she up to. Let's see if she worked last night. Obviously, like, she works overnight, so there she go. I was like, she's probably sleeping. I know she'd be working.
No, I came from work and I'm at the other job.
Oh wow, I'm probably all in these people's house screaming.
So I can't sleep till later.
I just wanted to see what you was up to, bro.
What you up to?
I'm heading to Johnson's shop to go see if he can check out my car. He's supposed to be giving me an alignment. And I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog.
Hey y'all. That's it,
girl. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And then I just need to run some errands. I want to take this wig off, clean it, and try to reapply it.
Okay. You got that spray?
The C20? No. I don't know if I have any. I think I have like a little bit of drops, but this thing is off. It's like already. I could stick my whole finger. Like, it's only like a couple areas where it's not off, but I think, me personally, I love the install, but I think it lifted rather quickly. And I'm like, okay, I know you're supposed to tie it, and I've been tying it. The only thing I haven't been doing is tying it with the melt band, because the melt band I have, that thing is too tight. Like, it's already cut and like tied together, so I can't like adjust it like that. But that thing lifted.
Shouldn't be.
I miss you, girl. Oh my gosh, you almost made me cry.
What?
All right, babe, I haven't talked to her in 2 weeks.
Girl, I've been here. I've been sick.
You sick?
Yeah, child. I'm just getting.
Got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star, baby, I'm not in love. Like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my...
So, we left the car place. We got the car fixed halfway. I need to get new tires. That was also affecting the way my car was shaking, but the shaking part stopped. I just need to get 3 tires replaced. But yeah, anyways, right now I'm in the middle of doing an Instacart. I just finished shopping. It was a quick little batch, but I also went and got me some Chinese food, which I haven't had in a very long time. So here's some soup, which I'm not gonna eat right now. And then here's the egg roll, which I'm super excited about. And then I got orange chicken with rice. But I'm gonna wait until after the batch. After I drop this food, then I will I'm gonna go to my mom's house and eat. So I'm gonna save that, but I got this snack. But yeah, I'm about to drop this quick little $15 I just made in 5 minutes. Just drop that off. Like good. That being hot. Alright, where am I going? Go to Bed Bath & Beyond. I want us to go to the mall and go to Victoria's Secret to see if they have a sale. Because Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm married now, so I gotta, gotta get some new cute little sexy wear. Whew. I should be waiting for this thing to cool down because it's straight out the fire. But let me drop these people food off to them. But y'all gonna have to see all the plans for our anything that's regarding like moving and home renovations. That's all gonna be on our channel. So make sure you subscribe to the Jared's Official because we're gonna have some exciting things going on there. Some fun videos, but also a lot of home videos are gonna be on there. Like the home buying process, all that stuff is gonna be on our channel. So make sure you go check us out. Link in the bio. Woo! Okay, so made it to my mama's house. Nobody knows I'm coming, so they're probably looking like, what you doing on her? What's up? What's up? What up, bruh? Hello. Alright, y'all, so left my mom's house. Everything went well over there. Now I'm at Nordstrom. I'm gonna go see what I can see in there. Not really planning on buying anything unless there is like a fragrance that I absolutely love, because I definitely want to buy one. But I actually really want to go to Victoria's Secret because they have these 2 fragrances. They're like $60 and I can get 2 for the price of 1. So we'll see. I'm just going in there to sightsee. It's currently 5:47, so we shall see. Yeah, I was at Tire Kingdom waiting for my car to be done, but it's fine now. I just left mommy's house. Alright, we're gonna see what I can find over here. Where did I come from? This is the west entrance. Is this where I usually come through? Or did they change things? I feel like they changed things around. These are 40% off. Oh, this is cute. A nice spring edition. These are quite fabulous. I really like those. Let's see if Steve Madden shoes are on sale. Cute. I like those. You know what? I need an outfit for tomorrow because it's my first day back to church since being, married. So that'll be nice for me and DJ to coordinate. Not really seeing anything. The shoes I've been looking at are not on sale, so these are cute. They don't have any more. The ones I really wanted from Steve Madden, I don't see them. Here they are. They're Jessica Simpson. There's $100 each. They have a green one and a black one. I will get both. And here's the black. I think I'm going to come back and get those. In like 2 weeks when I get paid, but I don't really need them right now. Alright, we'll come back to the fragrance. Victoria's Secret up or down? It's down. Come on, I remember walking. Oh, it's right here, right over this wall. Okay. Alright, so they definitely have sales. Yeah, I want to get something like this for Valentine's Day. You know it's gonna get taken right off. Alright, y'all. So you guys officially leaving the mall. Spent like maybe 2 hours here. It's 7:30. I think so. I think it's been 2 hours. but I couldn't record because there was like music playing in one of the stores, and then I went to Tory Burch and I just wanted to focus, but I didn't buy anything. I just wanted to see what they have in there, and there's some new like earrings that I want to get. And then I went to Gucci, y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm gonna be getting, but I really want to get this bag. Hold on, let me get in the car because I don't know, I'm at the mall. I don't know who's watching me. Let me get into my car. I'm about to go to Bath and Beyond. Okay. Oh shoot, I forgot I got that chair back there. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be getting by Gucci in the near future. I need a bag to go with the belt I had bought a few months back, y'all. So I took a picture, tried it on, of course. The lady was so nice. I'm definitely gonna get it because she's very helpful and like non-judgmental. Like, she didn't make me feel like you don't belong in here. She was like, So that's the bag I'm gonna be getting. I'm gonna be getting it very soon. It was not that expensive. Let's just say it was less than my rent, which is good. My rent used to be $1,800, now it's $2,000, or yeah, $2,000, and the bag is $18. So anyways, I'm gonna be getting that soon because I've been working so hard, and then the wedding, I just want to reward myself. And I work the best, and I'm highly motivated when I buy myself. I mean, when I am working super hard, I love to buy myself and reward myself stuff. So that's just what helps me to keep myself going to work and pay my bills. Dump this water out. All right, that's a lot going on, but yeah, we're gonna do it right quick. Okay, bye, gotta go.